Dear students, today we are here to the exercise 9.1. I hope that all of you watch the lead video, and there they will clear all the concepts of how to find a rational number between two rational numbers. In individual practice, they will solve question number 1 and 3 of question number 1 of exercise 9.1, and according to this they will given the homework question number 2 and 4 of question number 1 of exercise 9.1, and also practice question 8.1 8.1 and 8.2. Now we will solve one by one. Okay, exercise 9.1, first one, list 5 rational numbers between a second one -2 and -1. I will solve the second one, and you take as a homework fourth one. Okay, exercise 9.1, question number 1. In question number 1 we can solve second one, -2 and -1. Here we have to find 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, -1 can be written as this equal to -4/4. Okay, why here I will take here 4? Because of we can take only 4. We can got 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, that's why I will take here 4. Similarly, -2 can be written as -8/4 because of 4 ones are 4 twos are minus plus minus, we got here -2. Then we have to write the rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, -4/4 after -5/4, and after -6/4, -7/4. Okay, here I will write -8/4, but -8/4 is nothing but 4 ones are 4 twos are. So the answer becomes -2. But here we want the 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. If I will write here -8/4 is again -2. But here we want the next number. Okay, next number means minus 8/4 is considered as -2. Okay, see here -2. -2 after here if it is okay 4/4. 4/4 means -5/5. -5/5 is again it becomes -1. Okay, we want its next number means a rational number. -5/5 is -1, and its next number is -6/5. Is it correct? -5/5 is nothing but -1. We want its next number means it is -6/5, and after -7/5. Okay, we want here only two numbers, so that's why we got two numbers. I will write here. Before only we got here 3 rational number, and this afterwards 4 ones are 4 twos are means this afterwards okay -1. Okay, correct, -1 -2. Okay, -7/4, and its next number is -6/5, and -7/5. Okay, the 5 rational numbers between -2 and -1 are -5/4, -6/4, -7/4, -6 divided by 5, -6 divided by 5, and -7/5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Similarly, you can solve fourth one. And also practice question 8, 8.1, find 5 rational numbers between the following numbers. Okay, 4 questions have. I will solve A and C. You can solve B and D. Okay, 5 rational numbers between the following numbers. A is 2 divided by 7 and 3 divided by 4. Here denominator change have. Denominator change means we can take here LCM. LCM means 7 is not in 4 table, 4 is not in 7 table, so we can take its multiplication is LCM. Means 7 4s 28 is the LCM. Okay, 2 7s 2 7 into 28. 28 means 28 is LCM. We can multiply 4, it becomes 28. When we can multiply the denominator, we can take same number in numerator also. It becomes 2 4s 8 divided by 7 4s 28, and also 3 by 4 means we can multiply this into again 4. 3 4s 12 and 7, because of we want to denominator same na. Sorry, 4 7s are 28 and 3 7s are 21. Sorry, see 3 by 4 into 7 by 7. Don't get here confusion. 3 7s are 21 and 4 7s are 28. Okay, easily we have to find the 5 rational numbers between the following numbers are 8 divided by 28, 9 divided by 28, 10 divided by 28, 11 divided by 28, and 12 divided by 28. They will ask only 5 rational numbers. Okay, we will consider this next number means okay, 8 by 28 is already is there. We can consider the next number 9 by 28, 10 by 28, 11 by 28, 12 by 30, 28, and 13 divided by 28. Okay, next C. 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Here denominator same, no problem. We can consider any one multiple of 7. Okay, 5 by 7 I will consider here as okay 7 6 here also we can multiply by 6. 5 6 30 divided by 7 6 42. Similarly 6 by 7 into 6 by 6, this equal to 6 6 36 divided by 7 6 42. Therefore the 5 rational numbers between 30 and 42 and 36 and 42 are 31 by 42, 32 by 42, 33 divided by 42, 34 divided by 42, and 35 divided by 42. Okay. 8.2. How many rational numbers lie between 0 and 5? Answer is infinite. Okay. In individual practice and in lead video only, they will clear this concept. How many rational numbers lies between 0 and 5 and any number? It always has an infinite number. In lead video only, they will explain about this.